I bring it to you a new and quick hairstyle. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I just kind of followed it from there. But it's like feet in braids, little ponytail situation, and then a sew-in the back. So we're just gonna jump right into the video because my siblings are rude right now. Okay, you guys, so the hair that I'm gonna be using today is from Supernova. I've worked with this company before and I really like their hair, so I'm back again with them. This is the natural wave in the lengths 18, 20, and 22. I've already opened them up and like fluffed them out a little bit. And then they also give me like a little choker, which is really cute. But yeah, so I have lengths 18, 20, and 22. And this is their natural wave again. And basically what I want to do is like a half up, half down hairstyle. I've already like braided the back and put a net on it. It's probably not the neatest, but this still gonna do. So I'm just gonna sew the longest length in the back of my hair, and then I'm probably gonna use half of the 20-inch for the top portion, and then the other half of the 20-inch along with the 18-inch for my ponytail. So you guys are gonna see me doing that. I believe this is the longest inch, so I'm gonna start with this. So far, my impressions on the hair, it doesn't really have a smell. My biggest thing is that the hair is not as thick as I thought it would be. So look, this is the 22-inch and this is the weft. Hopefully it focuses. But yeah, it looks pretty true to length though. I haven't really gotten issues or anything like that as far as shedding and tangling goes. So I'm just about to start doing this, and hopefully I can get some footage of me sewing in the back. If not, I'm just gonna come back and you guys will see me do the front part of my hair. I did a terrible job at getting footage of this part, but I pretty much sewed in one bundle. I put in the full 20-inch bundle, and then I took some snips of I put in the 22-inch bundle, and I took a little bit of the 20-inch, and this is how full it gets, I guess. Turn around so let's see. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add more hair to the back because gonna be hair coming from the ponytail, so I think that'll be enough. But yeah, so what I want to do now is just braid the front. If I can find some rubber bands, I'm probably gonna put like the little, you know, the rubber bands there, but we shall see. right now. I just did a feed-in braid, 2 smaller braids, and then I did the little middle situation. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this side and come back, and then we're gonna add the finishing touches on it, do the baby hairs and all that extra stuff. So
Pdub cooking.
let me just film this part really quick before the freaking my camera dies. But this is how my hair looks. It's really cute. I like it a lot. It's the right amount of fullness for me, so I'm gonna just leave it like this. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Oh my god, I have a piece of hair stuck literally right here. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.